Hello everyone, this video is going to be about how to do a release. It's a snapping motion. A release means when you're coming down on a circular, you're going back on the backswing and in a circular motion. And as a beginner golfer, when they come down, they go back down in a circular motion with the highest speed. That's for regular, most beginners golfers. But this is a little bit more advanced. Is when you release mean when you go up in the backswing, in the top backswing, you're coming down from the hip forward down into the impact zone. You're snapping it instead of keep going in a circular motion. You're snapping the feeling. It's like you snapping a wet towel. Okay, you snap at the ball. Okay, so the reason for snapping is because of the flexing of the club when you're coming down at the time when it's already flexed, already loading it up already, when they're flexing. And then as you snapping it, it will create an extra speed into in the club head, into the ball, okay? That's the feeling of snapping, just like a snapping on the towel, okay?